Hey there friends, Tim from ChamferZone here. For those of you new to the channel, I've spent 20 years working in AAA game development, and today it is my great pleasure to announce to you the Ultimate Weapon Tutorial 2, which is the most comprehensive masterclass that I've ever created, and in which I show you everything that I've learned, practiced and applied throughout this time. My goal was ultimately to create a tutorial that I wish I had when I started out. So let's take a quick look at what's inside of it. Together we will build a complete and game-ready AR-15 weapon system from the first primitive to the final 4K render. No shortcuts, no skipping, just the exact workflow used in AAA studios. We will cover hard surface modeling from the ground up, Boolean operations, support edges, high poly to low poly workflows. I will show and explain to you the decisions behind every click. This will serve as the foundation that will make everything else possible for you. But modeling is only half the story. Over 30 hours of texturing, this is where the course really stands out. Together we will build your own library of reusable smart materials from scratch. Metals, plastics, wear layers, edge damages, the kind of detail that takes your work to the next level. On top of that, we will create 10 different texture skins, such as Desert Skin, Stormtrooper, Mudang, and many others. You will learn how to create variations fast, so that you don't reinvent the wheel on every project. These aren't just presets, you will understand how they are built. So here's what's waiting inside for you. 80 hours, 80 episodes of structured, industry-proven training, over 10 different texture skins, including essential files such as the reference images, alpha maps, and this time also subtitles in different languages. A virtual studio recap at the beginning of each episode, which allows me to emphasize key tips and techniques which otherwise might have gotten lost during the recording action in Blender or in Substance Painter, something which I didn't have in previous tutorials and which I think is a great addition and adds more value to it. Least but not last, the free 7-hour holographic site tutorial. No purchase needed. Start watching it now and see if the course is right for you. Whether you're aiming for your first job in games or leveling up your portfolio, this course will help you get there. I'm proud to say that previous tutorials have helped people land jobs in studios around the globe. Check the links below for more information, and I'll see you in the tutorial.